Hi, in this video I'm going to give a brief overview of what a WebSocket is, why it is used, and what are the advantages of using a WebSocket. And then I'm going to go over an example WebSocket code in Golang where we get the real-time price updates of Bitcoin from Coinbase WebSocket endpoint. So what is WebSocket? So according to Wikipedia, as you can see, WebSocket is a computer communications protocol like HTTP, providing full duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection. So the WebSocket protocol enables interaction between a web browser and a web server with low overhead than half duplex alternatives such as HTTP polling, facilitating real-time data transfer from and to the server. So it is useful when you want real-time updates, so you want quick updates, and time is really important. And this is made possible by providing a standardized way for the server to send content to the client without being first requested by client. So normally what happens in HTTP protocol is that the client requests something and the server returns something, and that has some overhead, and WebSocket ensures that you don't really have to request, you just have to subscribe once and then you automatically get all the updates. Here is an article which compares the WebSocket with HTTP. So WebSocket is an event-driven protocol, which means you can actually use it for truly real-time communication, unlike HTTP where you have to constantly request updates. With WebSockets, updates are sent immediately when they are available. And WebSocket keeps a single persistent connection open while eliminating latency problems that arise from HTTP request response based methods. So these are the advantages of WebSocket. One of the disadvantages is that browsers older than 2012 won't support WebSocket because it is a fairly recent technology. So now I'm going to give an example Go program showing how WebSocket works using this particular package, and I'm going to use Coinbase WebSocket to fetch real-time prices of Bitcoin. So this is the Coinbase WebSocket endpoint, and I'm going to use that to get real-time updates of Bitcoin. Okay, so here is my program. I'm going to show you step by step what all steps are required to actually start getting real-time updates from a WebSocket endpoint. So the first step is to basically get the connection. So I have imported the WebSocket, this particular package which I mentioned before, and we initially dial using the address. So this is the Coinbase WebSocket address, and we dial it to get the connection. Then the second step is to actually subscribe. In the subscribing step, we let the WebSocket know which particular products we're interested in. So in this case I have given this BTC USD product ID because I'm interested in knowing the prices of Bitcoin. And there are different types of channels, so in this case I'm doing this ticker channel. So this is a message struct which I have, and this is used to actually do the subscribing. So it has a type, it has product IDs, for example Bitcoin price, and it has channels. So in this case I'm only going to subscribe for the ticker channel. And then we do the actual subscribing by using this write method. So once it is done with subscribing, then the next step is to actually start reading from the WebSocket, and that we do that by this read method of the connection. So this read is inside a for loop, as you can see. So once it reads, it then unmarshals to this particular struct which has basically type, time, product and price, and these are set by Coinbase how they are structuring their data. So I'm here unmarshalling it and simply printing, and this is an infinite for loop, so it will continue to print as it receives the price data. So let's run this program and see what it does. So as you can see, it is simply printing the Bitcoin live update prices. So as you can see, it's like 23,928, 23,927. And the cool thing about this is that these updates are being sent live without us having to request it, and this is pretty fast. As you can see, you're getting the live updates. So this was a quick overview of what is WebSocket and how to use it in a Go program to get some real-time data. So in this video I covered this particular package. In one of the other videos I will cover another package, Gorilla package, which is also useful to get data from. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks.